after like calculating everything you have calculated, like you have calculated everything here, I think they are done. So you're gonna answer the next part of the question, but they said you can use any knowledge you have for AMS, that is Microsoft. Oh, we can they said that maybe this data can be safer than being in Excel. We can transfer this data into Access. So you first see like you first do what? Let us first highlight our data, entire data. Yes, we select this data, we copy, we create another sheet, then we paste, but instead of pasting, we paste value. We don't paste any formula here, any rated formula. So we want to paste only value, so we don't paste any formula, any VLOOKUP function, any function there. So we just paste a plain value. So when you paste this, then you can transfer this to maybe be the first one. The reason why we are trying to paste this, we want to transfer this data in Access by just external, using external Access, but you can't transfer this data when they are having function. You get problem what in transferring. For easy, it is better you just leave Excel function there and you copy just a plain work and you keep your work there, because you want to make better things in Access than this. You want to use this work in Access also. What you can do is this: just copy the original one is here, we copied, so we pasted the value here. It is here. This is our work. So let us save this work. Let us close this and we save. Okay, we save and we close. I think we close. We close. After closing, then we go to our desktop. Then we look for, we come here and get Access. We go and look where there is Access. Here I'm trying to search for Access. Here I can get my Access here, or I can just press Access and open. I'm trying to open my Access. So when I open my Access, I can create a new Access. I create new. So from there, I will go to external data. From there, new data source. Then I click from file, that is Excel. Then I browse where I kept my where I saved my data. So I'll go to my downloads. My downloads. I think I have this. This is the work. I can click OK. Also, yes, from sheet 1, I want to select from sheet 1. Yes, okay. Then they must have headings. Yes, okay. This one, it's okay. Then the first name, that is okay. Then let me choose my own primary key. It's okay. I choose that is student name. Is okay. Then I rename. I can rename my what, maybe any year, 2024 result, 24 result, 24 result. Yes, then I finish. No, I don't want this to this. Yes, you see here, we have formed what we call our Access, and see we have transferred our data from Excel to Access. From here we can make various things. We can create report, can make, like if I want to see those who promoted, I can just come here to see promoted. Those who are promoted, they come here I just want to see those who are promoted here in access. Let me see where status. I'm not seeing the status. Where's status? Promoted here. So let me hide this word promoted. I want to see only promoted. Let me copy this word. If I want to see only those one who are promoted, I just come here and create what we call a query. I can create a query or a report. Let me create a query from design. I take that table. From that table, I double click here to select all the field. I transfer the field. So from here, I can just create a query. If you know a database, you can just come here where there is this status. You look where the status. I think status. Where is the status? Here this is status. And the criteria, you just say I want to see only promoted one. You just come here and run. Obviously they'll come only promoted guys. You exclude those one repeat. So you can see here only promoted. They have just brought only promoted one. So that we can make a report from this, and if you can save this, you can say this is it. You can say promoted student, promoted student credit. You can see credit here has come and promoted. So we can even make a report from these guys, and we make their report. Make report to present to someone. So form, we can do everything here. So that is how we can say we can even decide to create maybe those with maybe we can say I would like to have a query for those who are paying school fees, maybe having school fees, maybe do half bus full bursary. I would say maybe I would like to see this one full bursary. So I'll copy this word, then I can go create. Maybe I want to design what I can design anything. Report for full bursary, report from report wizard. I take all the fields. I continue. Yes, okay. Don't want to send. Then tabular is okay. I can report. Say I can just rename this one bursary. Bursary students. Student with bursary or bursary student. I can that sort anything. Just want to say I need to report of that one. So I'll say okay. So you can see only these guys with it, only who are promoted are the one that maybe with a full bursary. Only this is the report for full bursary student. So this is the report I can give to someone if you want to see this report to. Maybe you want to present this report to someone. This is how we can make things to happen. Okay. Oh, this is the second person. This is the third person. That is how we can do. Another fourth person. So you can see how these reports are being generated. So that is it. You can close this. You can add just if the field is not fitting. If you see there's a HH, it means the field are not fitting. That is how you can use access. For now, we don't have much to do with access. Let us close. Maybe let us go to another question concerning how we can generate a report card. Okay.